Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, you've just spent hours, maybe even days, shooting, editing, and perfecting your latest YouTube video. You finally hit that publish button, and you feel that wave of relief wash over you. But hold on, the work isn't over yet. In fact, what you do in the first few hours after your video goes live can make a massive difference in its performance. Today, we're diving into the 9 essential things you absolutely must do right after uploading a new video. Trust me, these steps will help you boost your views, engagement, and overall channel growth. Let's get right into it. First up, and this one is so easy to forget, is to pin your own comment. Right after your video is live, head to the comment section and write a thoughtful comment that adds value. You could ask a question to spark conversation, provide an extra tip that you didn't mention in the video, or link to a relevant resource. Once you've posted it, click the 3 dots and pin it to the top. This does 2 things. It kickstarts the engagement, which YouTube's algorithm loves, and it gives every new viewer an immediate opportunity to interact. It sets the tone for your comment section and shows you're an engaged creator. Number 2, reply to every single comment you get, especially in the first few hours. This is your golden window. The algorithm is watching to see how people are responding to your video. When you reply to comments, you're not just being a great community manager. You're doubling the number of comments on your video. More comments signal to YouTube that your video is engaging and worth pushing to a wider audience. Plus, your early subscribers will feel valued, making them more likely to comment on your future videos. Just a simple, "Thanks so much for watching," or a direct answer to their question can go a long way. Alright, number 3. Add your new video to a relevant playlist. Hopefully, you're already organizing your videos into playlists on your channel. If not, start now. Playlists are an incredible tool for increasing watch time. When a viewer finishes one video, the next one in the playlist automatically starts playing. So, right after you upload, add your new video to the most relevant playlist. You can even add it to multiple playlists if it fits different categories. This keeps people on your channel longer, which is a huge positive signal to the algorithm. Moving on to number 4, add end screens and cards to your video. This is a non-negotiable step. End screens are your final call to action. You can use them to suggest another one of your videos, encourage viewers to subscribe, or link to a playlist. It's your chance to guide your viewer to their next action. Similarly, cards can be placed throughout your video to link to other relevant content at precisely the right moment. For example, if you mention a previous video, you can have a card pop up right then. This is all about controlling the viewer journey and keeping them in your ecosystem. Number 5 is a big one. Share your video on all your other social media platforms. Don't just rely on YouTube to do all the work. You need to drive your own traffic. Share the link on your Instagram stories, your Facebook page, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, wherever you have an audience. But don't just drop the link. Create a custom native piece of content for each platform. For Instagram, maybe it's a short, engaging clip from the video formatted as a reel. For Twitter, it could be a thought-provoking question related to the video's topic. You want to give people a reason to click, not just spam them with a link. Number 6 is about paying close attention to your analytics, specifically your click-through rate, or CTR. In the first few hours, your CTR is a critical metric. It tells you how effective your title and thumbnail are at grabbing attention. Go into your YouTube studio and check the CTR for the new video. If it's lower than your channel average, it might be a sign that your thumbnail or title isn't resonating. Hey, this leads us to our next point. Number 7. Be prepared to change your thumbnail or title. I know you spent a lot of time on it, but if the data shows it's not working, you need to adapt. A low CTR means people aren't clicking, no matter how great your video is. You can try A/B testing. Create 2 or 3 different thumbnail variations. If the initial one isn't performing well after a few hours, swap it out for another one. A simple change like a different facial expression, brighter colors, or tweaked text can dramatically improve your click-through rate and give your video a second wind. The same goes for the title. Maybe a more intriguing or keyword-rich title will perform better. Okay, number 8. Engage in relevant online communities. Find subreddits, Facebook groups, or online forums where your target audience hangs out. But please, do not just spam your link. That's the fastest way to get banned and annoy people. Instead, become an active member of the community. Participate in discussions, answer questions, and provide value. Then, when it's genuinely relevant and helpful, you can share your video as a resource. For example, if someone asks a question that your video answers perfectly, you can write a helpful reply and then say, "By the way, I made a full video on this topic if you want a deeper dive." This is value-first marketing, and it works. Finally, number 9. Add chapters to your video. This is a simple but powerful feature. Chapters break your video down into sections, allowing viewers to see a quick outline of the content and jump to the parts that are most interesting to them. This improves the user experience, especially for longer videos. It can also help your video rank for specific search terms related to your chapter titles. All you need to do is add timestamps with titles in your video description. YouTube will automatically create the chapters. It shows you respect your viewers' time, which can lead to longer overall watch sessions. So, there you have it, 9 crucial things to do after you hit publish. To recap, pin your own comment, reply to early comments, add the video to playlists, use end screens and cards. Share it on social media, check your CTR, be ready to change your thumbnail or title, engage in communities, and add chapters. Implementing these steps will turn that passive publish and pray approach into an active strategic launch for every video you create. It might seem like a lot, but once you get into the habit, it becomes a smooth and effective post-publishing routine that will give your content the best possible chance to succeed. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Let me know in the comments which of these steps you're going to start using. See you in the next one.